Hey y'all, I'm about to fix something to eat. We about to cook something real quick because I am hungry, and I did cook that chicken and rice in the oven, but for some reason I don't have a taste for that. So I'm about to cook me something else to eat today. I got a bad habit of not liking leftovers. That's what it is. I have a bad habit. And I don't know how to break that habit, but yeah, I got a bad habit. So anyway, we're gonna make some chicken parmesan. That's what we about to do. Oh, I don't even know if y'all can see me or what. Okay. So y'all gonna be right here because I can't tell. I want y'all to be able to see when I got y'all on the back side of the camera, so that's the problem. Alright, so what I'm about to do is we're about to season up this water for the pasta. We're gonna make some chicken parmesan, a quick version of it. So I got me some chicken bouillon that I'm adding to the water to season up the noodles, and then I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm going to try to just cook a little bit because I don't even want enough for leftovers. Because 9 times out of 10, I'm not even going to want this tomorrow. So ain't no need in me making all them extras. So when that come up to a boil, I'm going to put my noodles in there. But I got me some sausage here that I want to add to my pasta. Just for more flavor. Y'all know me, I got to have flavor. And these right here ain't even thawed out. They still froze, so I'm gonna work with them the best way I can and get them cut up. And we're gonna brown these up to build flavor in the pot. Dang it. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got the sausage cut up and then the pot. And I'm gonna add some onion to it too. So we're just gonna cut that onion up. We're gonna cook all that there together. And get some flavor. And this sausage right here, that's going to be for the sauce. Cook that up a little bit. Get that done going. And then we're going to start time to drop this some noodles down. I was thinking if I want to use some thin noodles, but I'm going to just go ahead and use the spaghetti noodles. Just try to do a little bit of those. I don't really need that many. Now the biscuits that I made, I am going to eat that with this. Some biscuits was good. The chicken and rice was good too. I just don't want that. So yeah. That's enough noodles too. Okay, so now we got the sausages that browned up. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me some tomato paste to help enrichen this sauce. I'm going to get some tomato paste. Because I like my sauce red. And we're going to go ahead on and start doing the spaghetti sauce. Okay, so to that, I'm gonna add some dry spaghetti sauce. And I want it saucy because I like my stuff saucy. I like mine saucy. So we're gonna add a little extra sauce. Now you know we gotta doctor it up, so we're gonna put our seasonings and sugar and stuff in them. That's the sauce right there. Let's see. Okay. So to the sauce, I'm gonna add my seasonings. So let me see. First thing, I'm gonna grab me some paprika just to make it darker. Let me see. Okay, yeah. He got a little light for right now. So paprika. Then we're gonna go in with some Italian seasoning. Go in with that. I'm gonna put my pot on back here so that I have everything going. Okay, so then I need some oregano. So we're gonna add some oregano. Okay. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Okay. So we got that. Hold on. Okay. Let's add some onion powder. Onion powder. And I'm gonna add some garlic powder. A little taste of seasoning salt. And I do want to add a pinch of chicken bouillon. 2 pinches. So now I got that. Need to add some water to thin it out some. And I'm going to add some sugar. A little sugar. You just need a little bit to take the twang off, you know, from the tomato paste and the tomatoes. Okay. So now mix that there on up. I'm gonna taste it to see what it tastes like. See if I want to add any more seasonings. That tastes good. I'm gonna just let that simmer until the noodles ready. And then I'm gonna put my noodles right on in there. So we're gonna bring this here to be firm. Put that on the back. Gonna put a lid on that, let it simmer. Alright, so got the noodles going, got the lid on the pasta, the sauce. Got the grease heating up. And what I'm gonna fry is I'm gonna fry some like little chicken bites. Bread. And that's what I'm gonna have for the chicken. That's gonna go in the sauce. I ain't gonna top mine with the sauce. I'm gonna put mine in the sauce, my chicken. Okay. Alright, y'all, so my noodles is done. I'm about to just drain the water off of them. I'm going to get them right on over there in the top of my sauce. Alright, so I drained the pasta. Get it on over here in this sauce pot. Noodles. I left just a little bit of pasta water. Mix it all in. Now, gonna let those finish frying. Let these finish simmering. We're gonna put the chicken in there when it's finished. Get these tenders over here. Noodles with the sauce, and I was just gonna take these, just put them right on there and get them coated with that sauce. And then you can just put on your plate. Or you can let this simmer a little bit to soften up the tenders. So the tenders, the meat, the pork, the meat, and soak up this sauce a little bit. Or you can just dive right on in, put your little cheese on top. And I'm just pushing it down in the sauce. Sauce and they become one. And that's it. So I'm gonna put some flavors up and show y'all what it look like. Okay, so it wasn't that long. Go ahead on and fix some husband food. So I'm gonna get us some of the pasta. Get you some of the chicken. So I'm gonna get that there. And then what I'm gonna do is get some cheese and put it on top. So you want some cheese on top?
Yes, ma'am.
Put some cheese on top. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave and melt it. Then we're gonna sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, now we got that melted. So now I'm gonna just take the Parmesan cheese. What now? Right here on the counter. Right there. Now we got us some chicken Parmesan. All kind of Parmesan. Something quick and simple. And then we got a biscuit to go with it. Garlic bread biscuit. We got a garlic biscuit to go with it. Yeah. Look good, don't it? Alright, y'all. So there go a close up of what it looks like. And I'm going to get my bread. And there go my bread, my garlic bread biscuit. Along with that down, the chicken Parmesan. A quick version of it. And it's going to be good. I hope y'all enjoy it. And if you try it, leave a comment and let me know.